Well, things are likely about to get interesting. The rain has started here, which means the crowd that's over at Beer Can Island's probably about to make their way over here to the boat ramp here at Boynton. Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and as we mentioned, we are down here at Boynton Beach today. Me and Sammy behind the sticks, hanging out, looking to see what kind of action we can catch, and hopefully we'll stay dry under the umbrella, but the rest of our crews looks like it's going to be a wet day for them. So Cap doesn't like his first shot of approach. So he's going to go ahead and do the full U-turn and try and turn this thing all the way back around and reline it up one more time. And it sounds like we got a debate over who's going to handle the lines.
What are you taking pictures for?
Well, we're taking pictures of you guys trying to dock the boat for Miami Boat Ramps.
Where can I find them?
Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Miami Boat Ramps.
Hold on. Hey,
Miami.
Well, it looks like the ladies were having a little tough time grasping that one, but here we go. Let's see if we can get this boat docked. Again, with the rain starting, it's probably going to get a little hectic here as the day progresses. So we approach the dock, slow roll approach. We've got two people, as we already knew, on the lines. Our girl on the stern kind of misses getting off. She goes for the stretch. Has it now, but she's holding on with everything she's got to try and get it pulled back over, and they should be good to go from here. So, another interesting setup here. Our guys walked out into the water with his baby, trying to help his crew get back in here with the jet ski. Not sure this is a move that I would pull. So he's going to grab the bow of the jet ski and try and, I guess, get them back toward the dock. And hopefully he's going to walk them back over. They've been struggling for a few minutes. So we're at least close to the dock now. Probably could reach out and grab it. And he goes for the foot grab on the dock. The dude on the back puts his hand on it, but he's pushing off the dock. So Little Man's trying to hold on while the guy in the back's pushing off, and Little Man's in the water, in the drink. He winds up coming off. The guy who was standing behind him was pushing off the dock as he was holding, and that just didn't work. As the ski drifted away, our guy winds up taking a swim. And as we mentioned, Beer Can Island ending a little early today with the rain coming through. So a lot of these party crews are starting to show up, and typically it makes for some interesting scenes as they try and dock their boats. So our crew kind of pauses for a moment as they try and assess the situation, determine which dock they're going to go to, and it looks like we're to try and get some lines ready. So we're going to go ahead and make approach. We got a fender out there on the port side up at the bow. And it's tough to see from here, but it looks like we've got a line over there as well. And our guy goes to step to the dock, and he didn't have the line attached to the boat. He's going back to reach for the boat now, and he misses it. Always got to leave the boat with the line attached, but working with a, 3-foot line doesn't help a whole lot. So Cap's going to have to try and reapproach this one. It looks like our guy next on the boat has a little bit longer line. Cap kind of just puts it in reverse, and that's going to just level the boat out right in between the two docks. That's not going to assist in getting us over there. So wisely, our guy that was standing up at the line sits down. That's always a smart move when the boat's in motion. And Cap's going to reverse us to try and get us back into a position to get this set up. So we'll go forward, so I'm assuming we're going to see a heavy bow and approach. Really, they just got to get close enough, I'm assuming, to toss this line that the one kid on the boat still has over to our guy who's on the dock, and he probably can pull him over, but man, we're drifting the wrong way, Cap. So I guess Cap's going to try and back out on this one and reset it all up. So here we go, brake check. That's why you sit down on the boat, because our guy holding the line almost took a little spill, and he's kind of half sitting. And heading back in. See if he gets close enough, brake checks it. Our guy with the line on the dock grabs it. And can he get it attached back to the dock? And we've got a line on. Now we've just got to finish getting the boat over. So Cap is going to leave the helm and go try and get this sorted himself. I'm going to try and kick the bow around. Cap's going to get back on the boat now, but our guy with the mid-cleat line should be able to pull him over. And there we go. This crew will get her put on the dock. And just as soon as I think they're done, it starts to drift off again. One of our guys, well, two of our guys are on the dock now. We've got 2 lines, and this crew should be about good to go to get this one put up and put to bed. And the girls are going to celebrate getting it on the dock. One way to celebrate it when things get done. And speaking of getting things done, it looks like they're about to get out of here, and so we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.